Hey guys, so today we're going to see what I got from Ulta, and I'm going to do a demonstration because I already kind of have it set up, so we're just going to go through what I got and how it works. So I'll see you in a bit. Alright, so from Ulta I got this GiGi wax kit. It's a complete kit. It comes with the pre-exfoliation cleanser, the wax removing lotion, the hair minimizer, I think it's a gel, I haven't used it yet, and then the wax remover for the skin. Oh, sorry, this is the preparation. This is a powder. So this is kind of like a baby powder. Yeah, you just dust this on your leg or arm or wherever you're doing. So we have a remover for that, we have a cleanser, we have an aftercare product, we have this little powder bottle, and each one of these are approximately 4 ounces for all of the liquid products, except for the powder is 2.5 ounces. It came with 10 of these large applicator sticks, 10 of the small applicator sticks, and 10 of these little precision applicator sticks. These would be for like eyebrows and very small areas. I've just been using these ones for now because I was trying it on my leg because I needed to practice. Let me get my phone all out of the way, this out of my ear so I can hear. Ugh. Okay, so in the kit you get the box. It comes with bubble wrap and a little cardboard thing. This has, let me get this. This comes with the all-purpose honey, which is the wax strips. Oh, I forgot to mention, it also comes with these wax strips in 2 sizes as well, and I do believe there's 20 of each of these. So, and they all come in this bag, the sticks and everything. Of course, it comes with instructions. This is wrapped separately. This is hiding in the bottom of the box somewhere. This is the collar, so you'll look in the instructions and it keeps referring to a collar. That's what they're referring to. So you stick, and this is the hard wax, by the way. I got that separate. So you stick this container of wax inside this little cardboard sleeve, and then you set that all inside of the machine, and then you turn it on to high until the wax melts down. And then I just have it sitting on low, and you'll notice that this light keeps popping on and off, and that is to state that it is at the correct temperature. So if I were to move it to medium or high, this wouldn't come on as often, but because it's exposed to my fan and everything, it is constantly turning on and off. The red light just indicates that the machine itself is on. This is to help keep it warm. I would suggest, if you were to use these, because these are very sticky, to make sure, if you're going to set these down, use the old lid or something you don't care to get wax on. Put some plastic down, especially if you have carpet, put some plastic down or something, because I've been using a box and I had to vacuum it up, and hopefully it didn't jam up my vacuum, but just using it in general, it gets stuck to your hands a lot, especially when you're trying to like flick it up with your fingers. I tried using the sticks, but it just wasn't doing it for me. So all of this together, the total was, I do believe, with shipping and tax and everything, I do believe it was $50. This was on sale. If you get this from Sally's, it's like $50, but at Ulta for the spring 50% off sale, it was only like $39. The kit comes complete with everything I had mentioned except the hard wax. It does not come with hard wax. So if you want hard wax, you have to buy that separately. If you want extra bottles of any of these other products, so any of these products over here, you have to buy those separately as well. So I'm going to try to squeeze in a small little tutorial on how to use it, because I wasn't aware that this camera wasn't charged. So basically what you do is you get your stick, you make sure that your wax is usable. Now it's gonna appear very runny. They say like caramel, some say like honey, but to me this seems a little thin. So before you do that, what you want to do, if I can get it open one-handed, I'm going to try to do this one-handed as well. Don't mind my bad angles and lighting. So what you do is you pick a spot. I'm just going to pick right here. Put a tiny bit of powder in the area. I just do small areas. And it says to lightly powder the area. So you just kind of rub it on the best you can. Try not to rub it all away. And then what you do is, as you saw me earlier, you take it and you twirl it. And you keep twirling it as you move it across the area. And then what you want to do in a 45-degree angle is put this on in a nice, even, and consistent as possible manner. And as you can see that it does, sorry you couldn't see that, it does get a little sticky when you get to the part where it's starting to dry. This does dry quickly. Try to catch any flyaways. About 2 to 4 seconds you can start doing this. That's just to see how sticky it is, how warm it is. If it feels a little too warm for your liking, give it a few more seconds. Flick up the edge. If it becomes painful, then hold the skin taut. I might have to do it from a different direction. You can also do it from a different direction as well. Like I said, it's very sticky. You just kind of want to carefully and as gently as humanly possible. Oh, this hurts. I had to pick the spot with the most hair. The idea is to flick it off, but it was still too warm in that spot. Ooh, hair. Come on. And if you have to, pull and do little jerky motions because it hurts. Ugh. And then I'm not going to show you the grossness, but what you can do if you're like going to share this with somebody is set your little ball of wax aside. But I'm the only one using this, so don't judge. So basically you're left with a nice hair-free section. Now you do have these little bits of wax that kind of get stuck because it was too thin in that area or it dried too quickly compared to the rest of your skin. That is what the wax remover is for. I'm not going to show that because I'm going to continue my leg off camera. But that just gives you an idea of how that goes. Maybe another time I can show you guys a bigger tutorial and I'll have it set up to where I can actually use both hands. But this gives you an idea. So far I like it. I'll keep you updated on it, but it is quite painful if you're not used to it. I would say test the product on your wrist arm areas for the temperature to make sure it's okay for you. The lowest setting is quite warm, so if that's too hot, then I don't think this product would be good for you. But other than that, just be very careful, very diligent, and with cleanup it's a bit of a pain, but once you get the hang of it, it shouldn't be so bad. So my battery's screaming at me. I gotta go, guys. So like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye!